Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Okay, I'm gonna do a video for you guys because I found this is the really coolest app for Windows Phone and Windows 8. The two work hand in hand together, and I gotta show you this because this just blows my mind. This, as far as I know and all I can see, this is a strictly Windows Phone 8 and Windows 8 app. I don't think it's available for Android or iOS, which is a great thing if it is. That means that the developer of this app strictly must develop apps just for Windows. So it's really great. So I'm going to show you this. It is called the Win 8 controller. And you got to see this. This is just the coolest thing. Now, I can use it on any of them. I've got it on my laptop and my desktop. And I'm going to show you how this works. What this app does is it allows you to use your phone like a touchscreen, and it'll control my computer. So, all right, let me open this up. So what you do first is you have to go to their website. After you get the app from the Windows Phone 8 store, you go to Win 8 controller in the store on Windows Phone, and after you've gone there, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the website, go to Internet Explorer, and open up your browser. And in the URL at the top, you're going to type www.win8controller.com. And it's going to bring you to their main page, and you want to go to download, and you want to download the version for the PC. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the software of the PC. Okay, so now here's the, as you can see, Windows 8 controller. Right now it's not showing the phone or the two connected together. Now there is settings, and I found a couple of things wrong with the app the developer needs to fix. And one of them, I don't know, maybe, I consider it major. I don't know how many of you other people would consider it a major thing, but if you're watching this video, please comment on the bottom of the screen and let me know what you think, if you consider it to be a major issue. And it's right here on both the phone and on the computer. If I go into settings, right, now you see right here it says this is your port number, and they've got a default that is 1234. If you change that number to something else, now the computer stays fine, but when you put that number, you change it to yourself into the phone keeps defaulting back to 1234. So the developer really needs to take care of that issue, because on the phone it's not working like it should. It should save that number that you put in for a port. Alright, so but right though, when you open the software up, the one thing you need to know is the IP address of your computer. And if you look right down here, it says this PC's local IP, and it gives the local IP address. Okay, so it'll tell you what your local IP address is, and that on wireless it seems to change, which I guess is a good thing, All right, I'm going to open up the app on my phone. Now here's the app on the phone. Now see, here's the settings. When I go to settings, see it says 1234. If you change that, it defaults back to that. So the developer needs to take care of that. I'm going to click start, and now I want to do last connection, and I'm going to click the last connection. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Now it shows two check marks on either. It shows it connected, same as here. Now I click continue. Now what it's done is it's turned my screen into a controller to control the mouse on the laptop. And you've got here, I don't know if you can see this because my brightness is kind of high and it don't come out good when I do it, but it shows little pictures of tiles down here in the left hand corner, and over here on the right you've also got a picture of a keyboard. And those you can use to control the computer, as well as you can do pinching of the fingers in and out to, you know, just like you do on a tablet or even on your touchpad on your laptop. If your touchpad allows to do the pinching, then that's fine. All right, so now watch this. Look at that. Here's my pointer right here, and check it out. As you can see, I'm moving it around is what I'm doing on the screen. All right, I'm going to minimize this. Don't X this app out because it'll close it out and it won't work. Now you can tap the screen to left click just like you do on a mouse. There we go. Now minimize that to the taskbar. I'll still get control of it. Now remember I showed you here there was some looks like little tiles right here. If I click that, it opens up and see it brings up a bunch of tiles right here. I click the one that says start and check this out. Look at that, takes me to the start menu. Click it again, takes me back. Click it again, takes me back to the start menu. Now the other thing that this is the other issue that I've found. It's not a major one, but it is an issue. The developer needs to be aware of it and needs to straighten it out. The second tile down right here, it says desktop. If I click this, I'm assuming it's supposed to take me to desktop. If I click it, see, nothing's happening. If I click the start tile, it takes me back to desktop because that's what I'm on right now. Now if I go into, I'll go online, right? So now I'm going on to Internet Explorer, and now I've brought up Internet Explorer. Now if I tap the start tile again, it takes me back to start screen. Tap it again, and I am back on Internet Explorer. So see, it all depends on what you're using it for as to where you're at in an app or whatever you're doing. It allows you to go between the two. So that's why the developer needs to fix the one that says desktop. If I go back to here and click desktop, now I would assume this is supposed to take me to desktop, and yeah, look what's happening. See, it's not responding and taking me to desktop. Okay, so now I'm going to close these back in there. I just tap. There looks like a bunch of tiles down the bottom on the left. I click that. Now I'm back to a screen. I'm back to controlling it. And watch, check this out. I'll go to my Facebook account, and I've opened up Facebook, and okay, and it's asking me what's happening when, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Now check this out. Now I open my keyboard and check this. I am making a YouTube video showing, did I get that right? No, I didn't. Windows Phone 8/Windows 8 The other issue that I did find is it's not putting in like periods, commas, things like that. So he needs to fix the app. It's got a few bugs in it, but you know, he fixes this thing, and this is going to be one sweet hell of an app. I really like it now as it is, but okay, so going back off of that. Okay, I'm going to go back in here for a second. I just want people to know that I'm going to, Oop. Okay. It. On Facebook via YouTube. I'm not the greatest typer in the world, and well, listen, I'm getting pretty good at typing on the phone itself, like texting and whatnot with my wife. But you know, it's new that's that I'm playing with, so I'll get the hang of it via YouTube. See it shortly. Okay, now watch. Now I'm gonna tap and take my keyboard away. Now I'll go to post, tap, and there we go. Now I just posted that comment to Facebook via using the phone. Now I'll go ahead and I'll go back over here, tap this, go back to my start screen, and Windows Phone Central. I keep track of what's going on with Windows Phone. Oh, Jessica Alber and Alicia Keys, times 86 Windows phones. Nice. Okay. All right. So now let me drop these down again, and I'm going to come down to desktop and come in here. So it's really useful. It's actually, let me go back to start screen for a minute. Okay, drop this back down and watch. Now you can use this, like I said, just like a tablet, or even pinching motion down there. If I pinch together, see that? I'm doing the pinching motion right here on my phone, so I can, make them. You can do the pinch thing. Is that not awesome or what? So this developer's got a little bit of work to do on the app, but I really like it. It is sweet. So like I said, there's a trial version of the app over in the Windows Phone 8 store. So go over to the store and head over to the trial version. If you buy the app, it's $1.99, and you're better off buying the paid version because I'll show you why. Let me just close out of this. All right. Okay, so now closed out of the app, and I'll show you why. If you use the trial version and you go to here where it says start, see it says last connection? That won't work under the trial version. You can only do the manual connect, which is where you're going to put, this is where you go to put your IP address in to connect it. Once you buy the paid version, then you can get into the last connect. Look at that, connected right away, and I'm right back in again. So yeah, definitely. It's worth $1.99, so you really don't have to try it. Take it from me. It's a fantastic app to control your Windows 8. So if you're running Windows 8 on a desktop, a laptop, or even a tablet, if you wanted to do it on your tablet, even you could. It just requires the IP address and the default ports of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is what it's defaulted to. You can use that. So I just wanted to show you that, and if you're interested, head over to the store. It's called Win 8 Controller. That's into the store. If I go in here and I type in Win 8, and then let's see. Okay, Win 8 controller. There it is. Comes right up here in the list. If I click it, I'm going to go ahead and share this on Facebook to my friends so they can see it. There it is, Win 8 controller. It's $1.99 in the store, and it looks like the person who developed the app is Karim, and then it's Kanaki. So developer needs some work. He's got some work to do to this, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share this on Facebook. If I could share it on YouTube, I really would, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share it on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And here it is. Great app if you have a Windows 8 PC and a Windows Phone 8. Works great. Okay, and there we go. Just sharing that to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you want to hit me up with a friend request or follow me on Twitter, my Twitter account is at Cowboy6201, and you'll know when it's on when you're on my page, because you'll find my red Nokia Lumia 920 off to the left and my wife's yellow Nokia Lumia 920 off to the right. That's me. That's my page for Twitter. If you want to hit me up on Facebook, just look me up under Glenn Weaver, and you'll find me on Facebook under that name, and you'll see my profile picture is the same thing, Lumia Red 920 and a Lumia Yellow 920. That's my profile pic. Over on LinkedIn, it's under Glenn Weaver, and you will find the number 17 Matt Kenseth DeWalt helmet as my profile pic over there. So there it is. Awesome. This is just a great app. I wanted to show it to you. And okay, watch this. I'll go ahead and connect again real quick. Let's do the last connect. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And I can leave that down the bottom on my screen. Look at that. I'm connected again. So there you go. Look at how easy that is. Look at how nice it moves around. I've already tried it on my desktop. It works great. If you want to change and use it on a different computer in your house, just change those last 3 digits on the IP address and you're good to go. So you can install this on all your computers. You just have to change the IP address in order for it to work, and you're ready to have fun. So enjoy this app. Go get it in the Windows Phone Store, and then go online to www.win8controller.com. Put that in the URL up at the top. It'll take you right to their page. In the phone store, it's Win8 Controller, and go get the app for the phone and you'll be good to go. I love it. Alright, you guys, well, I guess I'm out of here. I just wanted to show you this really cool app. So, alright, see you guys. Have a great one. Not just while I'm shopping in the department store.